Hey, Math 8. Now we are on the next one. Again, not horribly difficult in any way, so this will be a pretty quick video. This one is equations with square roots and cubed roots. So three different examples I'll run through for you to kind of cover three different methods. They want to know which of the following, so I'm reading this right here, which of the following equations has both -7 and 7 as possible values of f. So think about this. If we were to take -7 and square it. So if we took -7 and we squared it, -7 times -7, a negative times a negative is a positive, and 7 times 7 is 49. So -7 could be 49. 7, if I also took the other one, 7 squared, 7 times 7 is also 49. So this one definitely works. Let's see if this one works right here. -7 times itself 3 times. -7 times -7 times -7. Well, let's see. Let's just deal with the negatives first. A negative times a negative is a positive, but times a third negative would be a negative. So -7 to the third power would be -343. So it does not work for this one. So the only one that works is the first answer, letter A. All right, let's do our next one. Okay, we've got this one. Find the solutions to this x squared equals 81. Well, we know that x squared equals 81. We're looking for 9 times 9 would be 81, but then remember, just kind of like we did in this last one right up here, if 7 times 7 equals 49, -7 times -7 can also equal 49. So down here for 81, we could have 9 times 9 is 81, or -9 times -9 is 81. Okay, so could x equal 6? No. Could x equal -6? No. This one looks confusing, but just think about it for a moment. What is the square root of 81? Isn't the square root of 81 9? Yeah, so 9, and then you just put up here 9 squared, 9 times 9 is 81. So yes, this one would work just fine. Okay, down here looks more confusing because it's got that negative, but start with that square root. What's the square root of 81? 9. Multiply it by the negative, it's -9. -9 times -9 equals a positive 81. So this one turns out to be both of those. Okay, all right, I think I have one more example here. Could be wrong. Is it up here? Oh, here it is. It's over here, right next to it on this side. I remember where I put it there. There it is. All right, choose all the answers that apply. To what? Apply to what? Oh, there it is. There we go. Find the real solutions of this equation. S to the third power equals positive 729. Well, 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. Doesn't work, so we won't check that. -7 times -7 times -7 is -343. Doesn't work. 9 times 9 times 9 is 729, so that one could work. And -9 times -9 times -9, 3 negatives make a negative, so -729, that one does not work. Okay, that's all there is to it, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.